The final sneaker that I have right here is the Adidas and Zhang collaboration. Zhang is his last name. Hopefully I'm saying it right. I'm not going to go into his first name and last name solely because I do not want to butcher it and show any disrespect by saying his name incorrectly. But yeah, if I'm not mistaken, Zhang is a former Yeezy designer, and now he's pretty much doing freelance. He has a shoe with Crocs, his shoe with Adidas right here. The box states adidas Kouza Dingyun. So DYZ is the artist. I'm gonna call him DYZ just to, be respectful. And these are the Adidas Kouza. I haven't looked up the Adidas Kouza yet because I haven't gotten into my review of the sneaker, but this version, if I'm not mistaken, is a remodel and a remake in DYZ's impression, his view of the shoe. I'm not too sure on the background of the sneaker yet, but it's mostly mesh and super breathable. Like, you can pretty much see through right here, the side panels, you can see through it. On the toe box, you can see through it. The crazy part is there's holes on the bottom of the shoe right here, and if you remove the insole, it leads to the bottom of the shoe. So if you have hot feet, I actually do have hot feet, these would be perfect for me. I'm not too sure if I can wear these in the winter weather, but I definitely might put these on and find out and see if my feet will be cold or just cool. We also do get an extra set of laces in tan, and we do get a dust bag. I would take it out the box and show you, but it's super dusty and I'm not trying to get my hands dirty right now. But yeah, let me pull up my phone real quick and find out more information on this shoe. All right, according to the Adidas press release, this Kouza is centered on the concept of transformation. We have an exaggerated heel guard in the back right here, which does nod to the motifs that the designer loves to use. I'm not gonna get into this shoe too much, but yeah, a bunch of mesh synthetic materials, rubber. They look really crazy. The more I look at them, the less I like them. But yeah. Also, the price on these were super high. They were like $300 or $350. No, I definitely did not pay that. But that is a super high asking price. But in terms of quality and craftsmanship, these are pretty much made well.